Welcome. Let's solve for A. Recall that the law of exponents a to the power of m plus n, okay, is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. Alright, so, but also recall that plus 1 can be written as 2 minus 1, okay? So we can rewrite this as 3a minus 1 plus 2 plus 3a minus 1 is equal to 12. So you can see that we have 3a minus 1 here and 3a minus 1 here. But before that, let's apply this particular law. So when we apply that, you have that 3 to the power of a minus 1 multiplied by 3 to the power of 2 plus 3 to the power of a minus 1 is equal to 12. Now let's factorize 3 to the power of a minus 1 out. So when we do that, we will have 3 to the power of a minus 1. Sorry, this is minus 1. Alright, open bracket. When this is divided by this, we are left with 3 squared plus when this is divided by this, we are left with 1 is equal to 12. So we have that 3a minus 1, 3 squared plus this is same thing as 9 plus 1 is equal to 12. 3 to the power of a minus 1 bracket 10 is equal to 12. Now let's divide both sides of this equation by 10. So we have divided by 10 divided by 10. So this is going to cancel this. We have 3 bracket a minus 1 is equal to 12 divided by 10. Okay, so we continue. We have 3 to the power of a minus 1 is equal to, when 2 divides 12, we have 6. When it divides 10, we have 5. So we can write this as 6 divided by 5. Now we are going to introduce log to both sides of this equation. I would like you to watch to the end and see how we substituted what we got into the main equation to prove that it is right. Okay, so we are going to introduce log 3 to the power of a minus 1 is equal to log 6 divided by 5. Now when you have log a to the power of b, this is equal to b multiplied by log a. All right, so that means we can write this as a minus 1 multiplied by log 3 is equal to log 6 divided by 5. Okay, then we have a minus 1 log 3 is equal to, when you have, okay, before that, let me not confuse you. So let's divide both sides of this equation by log 3, okay? So divided by log 3, then we have log 6 divided by 5 divided by log 3, okay? So log 3 will cancel log 3, and we have a minus 1 is equal to log 6 divided by 5 divided by log 3. Okay, if this is the first time you are seeing this channel, please subscribe to the channel and on your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video, so you don't miss our amazing videos. Okay, and give us a thumbs up if you're actually enjoying this video. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's continue. Now recall another law of indices or exponents that states that log a divided by b, okay, sorry, you can't see that. So it states that log a divided by b, all right, is equal to log a minus log b. Okay, all right, so that means that we can rewrite this as what? A minus 1 is equal to log 6 minus log 5 divided by log 3. So we have a minus 1 is equal to log 6 divided by log 3 minus log 5 divided by log 3. Okay, All right, so let's continue. We have a minus 1 is equal to log 2 multiplied by 3 divided by log 3. Since 2 times 3 will give us 6, right? Minus log 5 divided by log 3. So we have a minus 1 is equal to, when you have log a times b, this is equal to log, oh, you can't even see that. All right, so when you have log a times b, this is equal to log a plus log b. Okay, so we are going to rewrite this one now as log 2 plus log 3 divided by log 3 minus log 5 divided by log 3. So we have a minus 1 is equal to log 2 divided by log 3 plus log 3 divided by log 3 minus log 5 divided by log 3. All right, so we have a minus 1 is equal to log 3 divided by log 3 will give us 1 plus log 2 divided by log 3, okay, minus log 5 divided by log 3. Okay, but we have minus here. We have minus 1 here. So let's transfer it to this side. And when we do that, we have a minus 1 is a, because we are going to transfer this. So we are going to add 1 to this side and remove it from here. So a is equal to 1 plus 1, then plus log 2 divided by log 3 minus log 5 divided by log 3. Okay, so 1 plus 1 will give us 2. 1 plus 1 will give us 2. So this is what we will have right now. So we now have a is equal to 1 plus 1 plus log 2 divided by log 3 minus log 5 divided by log 3. So this is what we have. Now we continue. We can see that a is equal to 2 plus log 2 divided by log 3 minus log 5 divided by log 3. Okay, but when you have log something over log something, once the logarithms have the same base, you can actually write it this way. So a can be written as 2 plus log 2 base 3, okay, minus log 5 base 3. Now this is the value of our a. Fine, now let's get to the most interesting aspect of this video, which is what? Let's check our results. Recall that we are told that 3 to the power of a plus 1 plus 3 to the power of a minus 1 is equal to 12. This is the question. Okay, this is the question. Now let's check. When you look at it, we are now going to substitute our a. So we have 3 to the power of 2 plus log 2 base 3 minus log 5 base 3. That is for this one. Then plus 1 plus 1 plus, let's go for this, 3 to the power of 2 plus log 2 base 3 minus log 5 base 3. Okay, then this one has minus 1 minus 1. All right, now everything is equal to 12, is it? Now let's continue. So we have 2 plus 1 will give us 3, abi? Yes, so that means we can rewrite this side as 3 to the power of 3 plus log 2 base 3 minus log 5 base 3 plus, then for this side 2 minus 1 will give us 2, so we can write 3 to the power, 2 minus 1 will give us 1, sorry, so we can write 3 to the power of 1 plus log 2 base 3 minus log 5 base 3. Now everything is equal to 12, so we can write that 3 to the power of when you have a to the power of 3 to the, when you have, say, x to the power of a plus b, this is equal to x to the power of a multiplied by x to the power of b. Okay, so let us remember that. Now when you have x to the power of a minus b, it's going to be x to the power of a divided by x to the power of b. So we are going to relate this to what we have here now. So we can now rewrite this as what? 3 to the power of 3 multiplied by 3 to the power of log 2 base 3 divided, because of this division, 3 to the power of log 5 base 3. Okay, all right, plus the same thing is what we are going to do to this side. So we have 3 to the power of 1 multiplied by 3 to the power of log 2 base 3 divided by 3 to the power of log 5 base 3. This is not among what we are solving, okay? So don't get confused with that. All right. So this is equal to 12. Now, 3 to the power of 3 will give us 27, right? Multiplied by, now when you have when you have a, let me write this somewhere to avoid confusing you. Now, when you have a raised to the power of log a, b, okay, this is equal to b. Everything here is equal to b. Okay, so that simply means that we can write this as what? Okay, so that simply means that we can write this as 3 to the power of 3 will give us 27 multiplied by, now because of the base and this are the same, so we have to remain in here, divided by what? Now the same thing is happening here, same base, so the only thing remaining here is 5. Okay, plus, then we have 3 to the power of 1, which is 3, multiplied by the same thing, only 2 will remain here, 2 divided by, the only thing that will remain here is 5 is equal to 12. Okay, all right, now 27 divided by 2 will give us 54. So we have 54 divided by 5 plus 3 times 2 is 6 divided by 5 is equal to 12. Now we have the same denominator, so we can just add the numerators, right? 54 plus 6 will give us 60 divided by 5 is equal to 12. Now 60 divided by 5 will give us 12, and 12 is equal to 12. So we can see that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.